If your design is for printing, you're gonna need to include bleed and crop marks. Here's how to add them. I'm gonna open a new document, so I'll go to File and click New. I'll select A4. In the document settings, on the right hand side, you can find the bleed section here. Turn it on, and now you can see the bleed size for the left, right, top and bottom. They are in millimeters. If you prefer it in inches, you can change it in document units right here. Then you can specify the bleed in inches. Let's go with 0.125 inch. If you need the bleed size to be different on one or some of the edges, click here to unlink, and you can specify the size individually. I'm gonna match them all to one size for this tutorial, and let's go with 0.125 inch. After that, I'll click Create Document, and you'll now see the bleed guide around the document. Now if you've already opened your document without bleed, you can add it by going to Document Setup, then scroll down to reach the bleed section. Turn it on, fill in the size, and you're good to go. Now after I've set up the bleed, let me place an image first, and the logo. I can extend the background or image all the way out of the page to the bleed area. This is to prevent any white or empty space around the page after being trimmed. However, make sure to keep your logo, text, and other design objects inside your page to avoid them being trimmed. Now let's look at the crop marks. So I'm gonna click right here at the top to export the design. Select PDF for print, then click Advanced. Or I can go to File, Export, and select Export. Then I'll select PDF for print. On the right hand side, scroll down until I see Include Bleed. Make sure Include Bleed is turned on, then turn on Include Printer Marks, and include crop marks. I can also turn on Include Registration Marks, color bars, and page information if I need to. I don't need them for this tutorial, so I'll turn them off. I can see the preview right here. Once everything is done, click Export. And now if you open the PDF, you can see the crop marks on every corner. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.